So I'm going to show you how to put a hyperlink right here. So when you go to your websites or your any pages or any documents, you can click on it. So first, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF from going to this. This is my online book, and we go here. And as you go through it, so you want this to be a PDF. You just simply take this page and go over to this button here. That button will take you here, save as a PDF. You can then save it. So I'm going to save it, and I save it to this document I made in my drive called April 2020. So as you click on it, here's all my PDFs I've been making I want to post. Normally you just be like, oh, let's get a hyperlink for this. For some reason, the hyperlink doesn't work on this spot. You have to actually go to Google Chrome. So we put it on Google Drive. Now we're going to put it to Google Chrome. So here's the same file on Google Chrome. I just bring up a Google Chrome, hit my documents, and it's right here. So I want to now take one of these documents. I want to make a PDF of it. So you right click, not a PDF, a hyperlink. So you hit get shareable link. You have to slide this to the right, get shareable link, slide to the right. Now it saves. All you have to do now is go back to the document you were at. Go, highlight words. You can write new words. I like to highlight words I've already written. Go here, click here, and it pops in. Here's the words you want to type for it to be. And you can just paste here and apply. So now when you go to this document, that's the document there.